Hi everybody, I just wanted to do kind of like a little vlog for my channel because this month is Alopecia Awareness Month, and I know that I have viewers that watch my wig reviews and wig related videos for all kinds of different reasons, but alopecia awareness is really important to me, and I'm wearing blue. That's the alopecia awareness color. And I know that people who are watching me watch me for, you're suffering from all types of hair loss, or maybe you're just seeing that your hair is thinning as you're aging, or from chemotherapy or other types of medications sometimes can cause your hair to thin. So I know I have viewers who have alopecia areata like I do, or alopecia universalis, or trichotillomania, or hair loss from chemo, or whatever. And I just want to tell y'all I appreciate you watching, but I don't ever want you to think that just because I go on and I am happy in my wigs and I'm confident in my wigs that I don't ever have those moments when, man, I wish I had my hair back, because I totally do. I totally have those moments when I'm just like, gosh, I just would like to throw on a baseball hat and go for a walk and not have to wear a half wig. I mean, I wear a half wig even when I walk, unless it's just brutally hot. But I'm just not super brave about being out, without a wig on, because I just don't feel like I look like me. And that's, me personally. Forgive the background and everything. I just finished taking photos. There's the closet. You're in my master bathroom. This is where I film. And I don't even have my ring light on or anything. I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to be real here. But so it is Alopecia Awareness Month, and alopecia has been tough for me. It has not been an easy journey at all. I was diagnosed in 2003. They found 3 little patches in the back of my head of missing hair. My hairdresser found it and injected those, and the hair came back. And I've talked about that. I have another video where I talked about my hair loss story, but that one I really focused on the squaric acid treatment. That was kind of the straw that broke the camel's back and took all the hair off my head because of an allergic reaction. But it was alopecia that I've been fighting for all these years. And, I just want you to know that I know how tough it is. I know sometimes I look like, oh, I'm just so much fun, and wigs are so much fun, and life is so easy, but don't think that that's always the way it is. I mean, at the end of the day, and around my house and everything, this is me. This is what I look like. I have this fuzzy white hair. This is called Bella's hair, and then I'm starting to get patches of hair. I don't know what my scalp is doing, and I've given up worrying about it. Like, I don't know what it's doing, but that's only because I have fretted and worried and stressed out about this scalp for so many years that I just can't do it anymore. I found wigs, and wigs have been a solution for me to feel like myself again, and that's why I wear them. I became a reviewer because I was actually approached online through my Instagram by Vogue Wigs to do a wig review. And so I was like, okay, I'll try it, and it went well. And I just want to help people. I know how you feel. I know how you feel when your hair's coming out. I know how you feel when you've lost all your hair. I know how you feel when you're also going through some nasty treatment like chemotherapy or other medications that cause your hair to fall out. I know how you feel just from aging. It's just all very frustrating. And I just want you to know that I sympathize with you all. I care about you all very much. I appreciate it when you comment here and you interact with me. And I try to answer your questions. Sometimes I can't answer every question, but there are questions I've been given, and I've, reached out to other people to ask them to try to get their opinion on it too, so I could give you a good answer. But, I just want you guys to know that you're important to me, and I'm, going to keep doing wig reviews as long as I seem to have an audience for it, and you seem to like it, and it seems helpful. I just don't want you to watch these reviews and think, oh, she's got it all together and life is easy for her, because it isn't, because this is me. This is what I look like, and I don't like it. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I don't even like having this wig off right now. I just don't feel like myself. I don't want to call like a bunch of attention to myself, you know. The girls that can walk around with the bald head and rock it, ugh, praise them. They're awesome. I mean, I envy them. That's just not me. I just can't. I just don't want to stand out, you know. I just want to go about my day, have hair on my head, go to the grocery store like everybody else, look like everybody else, you know. And but wigs are fun, and when you have the opportunity to have different hairstyles and different hair colors, and you know, different hair texture from what I ever had and things like that, hey, it's fun. So I'd encourage you to enjoy wearing your fake hair. It takes some getting used to. It doesn't happen overnight. It's not easy. It probably took me 6 months to a year to get totally comfortable and start to have an eye for what I want and what I need, you know, and what works with me and what doesn't work with me. So don't get discouraged if you're having a hard time, if you feel like, you know, I bought some wigs that didn't work for me, believe me. I've been through all of that. So anyway, I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I just want y'all to know that you're so important to me. And I encourage you to watch my reviews and watch other reviews too, because, you know, the more faces that you see and more head shapes and more head sizes that you see these pieces on, the more informed decision you can make. So then when you're purchasing online, you can, you know, you'll just have a better educated decision that you're making. And, you know, there's great reviewers out there. I don't feel like it's wrong to recommend watching any reviewer. There's just great ones out there, and I watch them too, you know. And I can't possibly review every single wig and every single color. So, you know, take advantage of all of us, watch our videos, and, you know, just see all the different things that are out there. But for this Alopecia Awareness Month, I just want to say, those of you out there who are suffering with hair loss, you're brave. And when I tell you that I think you're beautiful, I'm not lying. I do. And I don't want you to forget that. And that's why I say that at the end of my videos, because that's something that I forgot whenever, sorry y'all, I'm such a crier. When I first lost my hair, I was like, I don't feel beautiful. And my husband still thought I was beautiful. My family still thought I was beautiful. I was still beautiful, but I didn't feel it. And so I just want y'all to know, as you're looking for, you know, that right piece and everything, don't forget, you are beautiful. And you're beautiful for more than just what's face value. You're beautiful for your heart. You're beautiful for your mind. And don't let alopecia rob your beauty, because there are solutions out there for, obviously you can wear wigs, you can, you know, choose not to wear wigs, you can wear hats, whatever, you know, you can wear turbans, whatever works for you. So just a reminder, don't forget, you're beautiful. Bye.